First ride on the F4X. Has a lot of pull. I want to take it off-roading already, but it's brand new, so it's fresh off the FedEx truck. I kind of want to wait before I take it off-roading. I want to test it out first. This is my first test ride. Shout out to Kevin. Thank you, Kevin. Man, you're the best, bro. And man, this thing is beautiful. This bike is beautiful. You take it through a little path, and you know what? I might take it off-roading. I'm not sure. We'll see. Let's go. I was gonna record myself assembling it, but there's so many assembly videos that I was like, nah, it's alright. It's so quiet, so sturdy. All the parts are so, it's like wearing oh no, first piece of dirt it hits. It's like wearing a brand new pair of shoes. Oh man, I'm loving it. It's so sturdy. These Maxxis tires are beautiful. Oh man. I'm gonna call this the Texas GhostCat Tunnel. This is the Texas GhostCat Tunnel. Or maybe there's better ones in Austin, I don't know. I gotta go see Ty and the other people that Kevin has in Austin. Whoa, whoa. No light. I didn't have my light turned on, that's all. Man, it's so quiet. Quiet little bike. I still haven't hit a top speed run on it yet. We're gonna go do that right now. We're gonna go do that right now. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry, no, you're fine. Ooh, that front wheel lifted on me right now, unexpectedly. Oh, I haven't tried to wheelie it yet. I'm still getting a feel for it. Ooh, this feels nice. Oh, this feels nice. Oh, this feels nice. Oh, excuse me. I don't know why I feel it way lower than the F2. Maybe it's just me because I had the toppiest seat on the F2. Man, it's getting dark. Turn down the pedal assist power. Put it to 3. that's fast. Oh no, 3 dogs. Excuse me.
So.
I still haven't even put it on pedals to spot it. Scoot up. I'm sitting a little far back. I feel better off. That's why the front wheel was lifting on me. You know what? I'm gonna take her off road. Man, I went the wrong way. If I'm going off road, I gotta go this way. I hope my GoPro's still recording. Hope I don't fall. I hope I don't fall when I'm going up this hill, because this is a pretty nice little hill I'm about to go up. And this is a brand new bike. Oh man, I hope I don't mess up. I hope I don't mess up.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. Hey, don't do what I do. No, that's what I didn't want to do. Oh, it was just a little tap. I hit the guardrail with that rock that was there. It was just a little tap. Damn, the sun's in the way. On a brand new bike. Hey, this is what it's made for. This is what it's made for, fellers. Oh shit. The first time I went up this thing on the F2, I got to the very top and I fell because my timing was off a little time. But I didn't fall hard. It was just like a little, I dropped the bike. I was mad. Oh man. I didn't want to bring it back here. Hey, they cleaned this up. This used to be a lot more rough back here. There was a lot more like tree branches everywhere. Man, they cleaned this up back here. Oh, yes sir. Yes sir. Here we go. I hope this GoPro's recording and I don't be mad. This is brand new. Oh shit. Oh shit. There we go. You can't mess up once you start. That's it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, there. This was a lot easier than the F2. Woo-wee. That was sick. That was sick. Man, I hope this thing is recording. Are you recording? Are you recording? Yes, it is. That was sick. Bro, this bike is sick. Brand new, fresh out of the box. And I already took it up this hill. Well, now that we went up it, we gotta go down. Oh shit. And even down is it's a little rough. It's a nice little spot up here. I come up here, play my Switch 2, play a little 2K, a little Street Fighter. Just a bunch of different games, you know. Bro, and I had that on pedal assist 3. I haven't put it on 5 yet. Man. First time I came down this with the F2, I messed up my brakes. They like, I guess I held on it a little bit too much or something, and man, because going down this hill, I gotta slow down at the end. It curves to the right at the very end. Here we go. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I was gonna go hard, but I don't want to break the bike yet. I just got it. Oh, I was supposed to go on the right side. Oh, hey, real talk. I just don't want to break the bike yet, but I go fast through here. I don't slow down. And look at all this stuff. Oh man. Any wrong move and smack. Whoa, whoa, that's a big rock right there. Woo. Hey, I usually, whoa. I usually go faster here. Right here with the F2, I was coming down full speed and the brakes stopped working right here. And I was just sliding and sliding with the front brake all the way up. I think that's me. I think that's my trail right there where I slid with the F2.